All right, everyone, welcome to another PicoCTF challenge. We're going to do mod 26, I think it was, and we're going to go ahead and get started. Now, I'm switching over to my Ubuntu Linux box for the rest of these. I really like Ubuntu for these. My other Linux distribution is Kali, and I use that for a lot of things, but I think this is perfect for beginners, so I want to use it. So if you're a beginner at CTFs, which you likely are if you're following along with these CTFs, then you'll probably want to use Ubuntu for your your initial one. You can use any one you want though. Don't let anyone tell you can't. All right, go ahead and get started. We're gonna go to the PicoCTF website. Okay. Already in there. Down. Why type if you don't know to? Okay, so now we're logged in. We're gonna go to mod 26, and we're gonna solve this particular one. So our description is cryptography can be easy. Do you know what ROT 13 is? Let's look at the hint. Yeah, this looks like it's going to be incredibly easy. Let's go ahead and copy this. Go to Google. Just type in. And then let's go to rot13.com and let's just paste it in there. Right, there it is. That was pretty easy. Can't imagine people having too much of a hard time with this one unless you are feeling a little bit, not feeling as confident in these. But maybe this could give you that little boost of confidence that you need, because PicoCTF is about learning the tools. It's not about you knowing everything. I think that the challenge here was really about learning how to solve problems, learning how to research issues that you're having, and that really is what's going to solve a lot of problems for you. As far as that goes, it was incredibly easy. Just needed to decipher the code. And that's it. All right, I'll see you in the next video.